Trendful Traveler. It's been a minute. My apologies. There's a little thing that's going around. I don't know if you heard about it. This COVID-19. Um, yeah, I know it's been causing a lot of, changes in everyone's plans this year. So here I am back again, and I thought it would be a fun thing, seeing as we're all asked to stay at home right now and shelter in place for the next few weeks, to do a series. I'm gonna call it Away at Home. Basically, I want to help create scenarios at home that remind you of some of these amazing places that you can travel to when everything reopens, and just give you a little escape from your surroundings. So today, we're going to be doing Paris, one of my favorite cities ever. I was actually meant to go there, gosh, in a couple weeks now to celebrate my birthday. And of course, that, like my clients and many others, travel plans were postponed. But when travel comes back, of course, all these things are going to reopen. So I want to focus on an afternoon in France, in Paris, particularly on the Seine, which is just a most gorgeous river. Really a wonderful way to see that country is taking a river cruise. But another wonderful way to experience the Seine is to sit on the Seine. There's the rive gauche and rive droite, which rive in French means river. And you are able to go down into this canal area and sit on cobblestone, enjoy a piece of cheese, baguette, what have you. It's a great area to have a picnic. I know when I was in Paris before, my family and I took a picnic basket down there, spread out a blanket, turned on some music on our iPod. It was probably an iPod Nano at that time. It's been a while. But to be quintessentially Paris is just the art of being and just enjoying your surroundings. And that's kind of a hard thing to do right now, I feel like. Just speaking from personal experience, it's hard being in the same place day after day. So I'm going to show you what you need to create a river rendezvous right in your backyard. So all these things, all the supplies I'm going to be listing, you should be able to source from your own home. But if not, if you can't go out, of course, I don't want anyone to put themselves in danger or others. If you don't have masks or gloves, I know those are in short order right now. If you don't have these things right now, you can supplement with like items, and hopefully it'll work similar. But here's what I have as a list of the things you'll need to create this fun afternoon at home.
So to start, you want to make sure you have a blanket or a towel, something that you can sit outside on, and it won't get damaged. Next, you're going to want some sort of electronic device, or anything that makes sounds. Could be a radio, an iPod, whatever you need to make music. I know I'm going to use a record player and plug it in outside. After that, you're going to want to gather your supplies for your snacks. So cheese, I'm going to use sharp white cheddar, but you can use whatever. A little bit of honey, and that's going to go on the cheese, and you'll see how I plate that later. Some grapes, which are always delicious and just add a nice pop of flavor and coolness to a dish. And then wine, of course. I'm going to do champagne. This is a really bad drawing. I don't know why I decided that was a good idea. So, yeah. Frowny face about that one. Now we're going to get our ingredients out. We got the citrus ginger thyme crisps, which are amazing. I chose a little extra sharp cheddar for a little bite with the cracker. Some grapes, of course. Red's my favorite. And we had raspberries in the fridge, so that's fun. And I just knocked one on the floor. Great. Oh yeah, honey. We're going to add honey to top things off. And then a little bit of bubbles. So now comes the fun part where we get to plate everything. Gonna take 2 of these squares of cracker and 2 of these squares of cheese, and I like to break them in half, kind of put them down the middle there. These you can get at Kroger, Meijer, really any grocery store around you. Then we're going to add a drizzle of honey, and you really only want just enough to, be covering the middle of the cheese there. Add some grapes for that crisp. Oh, that guy's not staying. Come on. Come on. There we go. Some raspberries because they were in the fridge, and why not? And some almonds just because we like a full plate. And there you have your snack plate. So I chose to set myself up in front of this brick wall outside our house, as it reminded me of the canals by the Seine. And for music, I decided it would be fun to bring out my portable record player. And I've got some great old French vinyl. So this one is André Bassari, and I believe it's from the 40s, 1940s. I could be wrong, so don't quote me on that, but I can definitely find out. He, old school French singer, a very ballady, beautiful, really makes you feel like you're just on a magical river cruise down the Seine. As you can hear, it's just so lovely. And now we get to have the food. It is going to be so good. I'm so excited to eat this, honestly. Put down a little placemat if you're fancy, or if you're trying to be fancy like I was. And grab a beret if it's chilly. It was a little bit today, so I thought, why not add one? A little sunglass action because the sun happened to be out, which is a wonderful thing for us now in Michigan. We've been missing it. So sit back, relax, picture yourself looking out over Paris, and just enjoy being. I just think there's no better way to feel Parisian than just these effortless moments of enjoying the simple pleasures, like a good piece of cheese or a wonderful raspberry. And once your snack is done, a little champagne never hurt anyone. A little sip and stare, and hopefully you can start to imagine yourself elsewhere.
That's it for this week's video. I hope you guys enjoyed. Please like and subscribe. These are going to be recurring every Friday. Foodie Friday kind of thing. I don't know. Love food, love travel, and what better way to experience the world from home than through your palate. So thanks guys again for watching, and talk soon. Bye.